Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of Let's Talk Weather with French Teacher podcast. I'm your host, Julie, French teacher, and today we are talking about the fascinating world of meteorological vocabulary in French. So buckle up and get ready to fly. Let's start with the basics. The word for weather in French is météo. Repeat after me. Météo. Perfect. Now let's explore some essential terms you might encounter when discussing the weather. First of all, the sun. In French, it's soleil. It is a word we all love to hear, isn't it? Repeat with me. Soleil. And then there is rain. The word for rain is pluie. Try it. Pluie. Very good. Next, the wind. In French, it is vent. Repeat, vent. You are getting the hang of it. And to describe the temperature, we use the word température. Température. Easy to remember, right? Say it with me. Température. Now, to say it is hot, it becomes il fait chaud. Your turn. Il fait chaud. And of course, let's not forget about snow. In French, it is neige. Pronounce it with me. Neige. Great! Now let's also talk about season. Spring in French is printemps. Repeat, printemps. Summer, été. In French it's été. Give it a try. Été. Fall, automne. Say it, automne. And finally, winter in French, it's hiver. Hiver. Well done. That's all for our exploration of meteorological vocabulary in French. I hope you enjoyed this linguistic journey. Practice these words daily to strengthen your vocabulary. If you have any question or would like to suggest topics for future episodes, feel free to contact me. Thank you for joining me today on Let's Talk Weather for French Teacher podcast. Until next time, and remember, practice makes perfect. You will find your vocabulary sheet below, and don't forget to subscribe to the French Class Teacher YouTube channel. Bye bye, à bientôt!